What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make over $65 per sign up online and make money online. Now, I get asked questions every single day. What is the best way to make money? How can I get started? What is the best method for beginners? And what is the best traffic? And can I do this for free? Yes, I'm going to show you how you can do this without spending any money on a website, without spending any money on traffic, without spending any money at all. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. And this is a method that I used when I was starting online to make money. Now, this is a good way to get your foot in the door when you're trying to make money on the internet. And it's quite simple to understand and do. And I'll take you through these steps that you need to do. And make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video, because at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you another way to even make more money with this method. Now, before we jump into the method, we've actually brought back our, I guess we'll call it emoji competition. And what we're doing is we're giving away access to every single one of my courses. Now, how do you win? It's very simple. You have to find the emoji in this video and then smash that like button. And then in the comment section, write the emoji or put the emoji symbol. And we will pick a random person to win access to every single one of my courses in the next video. Okay. Now, if you want to make money for free online without spending literally no money on websites, no money on traffic or anything like that, and you want to make potentially $65 per sale, and you can actually even make more, I'll explain to you how you can do that. Well, let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you exactly how you can do this step by step, and let's get started. All right, guys, so the first step to this method is we need to find an offer. Now, we're going to actually be looking at an offer that I personally make money from right now, and I will show you some results in this video. But I want to show you stuff that actually works for me. Okay. So the first thing is to find an offer. Now, this is for affiliate marketing, and there's lots of places where you can find offers. I will leave some videos below on the best offers that are working and some tutorials on how to actually use those offers. But in this particular video, we're going to be talking about an offer that pays out $65 per sign up and even more as well. So what you want to be doing is you want to go to a website called bluehost.com. Now, what this website is it's a website where people can create a website, right? So basically they go to this website, they go to get started, and they can choose a plan to start their own website or blog. Now, we can actually make money from this. For every single person that signs up to this, we can make $65. Now, the good thing about this particular affiliate marketing program is people actually need websites online. There's millions of websites getting started every single month, and people need to have a website. So if we go to here where it says affiliates, and there's actually a lot of other websites you can do this with as well, but it says here that $65 for each qualified sign up. So you will get paid $65 for each sign up. Now, the more signups you send, the more money you actually make. So I make around about $130 per sign up. So over double for sending people to this platform. And what I'm going to do is leave a list below of other platforms that you can use as well that also pay out very good money. So essentially what we're doing here is we're going to be promoting this particular product and getting paid when someone signs up and starts a website. Now, if we go to here and go to website hosting, for example, and we go to view plans, you'll see that people will pay around about $3 per month, $5 per month. You're wondering, how can they afford to pay out $65 per sign up when this is so low? Because what they do is they get people to sign up for 2 or 3 years. So they'll spend $100 and they will happily give you $65 for that or whatever, right? So that's the thing. They get people to sign up for a long period of time. So this is for a 36-month term. So that's 3 years, all right? Now, the first step that you want to do is you want to go to affiliates and you want to go to sign up. And on the sign up page, you want to just fill out some information and sign up as an affiliate. Now, let me sign into my account, show you some results, and then I will show you how to get paid. All right, so I've just signed into my account, and this is some of the money we made last month. Now, a bit of a disclaimer, I'm not sure how much you're going to make. You might make nothing. I'm just showing you how you can make $65 per sign up online. Now, this is essentially the dashboard where you can check how much money you've made. You can see all the months and stuff like that. Now, the next step you want to do is you want to go to settings, okay? Before you do anything, go to settings. And then at the bottom where it says PayPal email address, you want to put in your PayPal email address, and that's how you're going to get paid. This is very important. You get paid through PayPal, okay? Now, we go back and then we go up to links. this is your affiliate link right here. So you need to send people to this exact link right here to make money. This is very important. Okay, this is going to be your affiliate link. If I click on this affiliate link, what it does is it takes me to Bluehost here. I actually have my own name here because they gave me a custom page, but people can sign up and I would get a commission. So those are the two things you need to do once you sign up: is add your PayPal account, email, and find your affiliate link and save this affiliate link to like Notepad or something like this, okay? Because you're going to be using it later on. Now, the next step is quite important. We need to do what we call create a bridge page of some sort, because the traffic source we're going to use, you can't just send to affiliate links. So what you want to do is you want to go to a website called medium.com and you want to sign up, okay? Once you've signed up, you want to go to write a story, okay? And I will kind of explain to you what you're going to be doing. So you just go write a story, right? Now, this is a website, but it's a free website. You're not actually paying for this, okay? So you don't actually need to have your own paid website to do this. This is completely free to make a Medium account. It's a place where you can write stories. Now, what I've done is I've done a version of this here, okay? So this is what you do. Just type in title, tell me a story, and then you publish, right? And you can create a story. And then what I've done is this is a story that I created, and here's the link to that story. When you sign up to Medium, they take you through the steps and all that sort of stuff. But once you sign up, you can create a story. Now, what I've done here is I've done the best web hosting services on a budget for 2021. And what I've done is I've gone down here and I've listed Bluehost is great for beginners, and I've put some information here. And then down here, I've got a link, and this link goes to Bluehost. If I click on this, okay, this link goes to Bluehost. But what you might also notice is that what I've also done down here is I've put HostGator, which is another one, and I haven't put an affiliate link for that yet here, but you can here. And then we go down and A2 hosting, and then we've got sign up here. So what you want to essentially do is you want to go back to the list that I've given you here, and you want to find a few web hosting platforms and click on here and sign up as an affiliate. And you want to list the best, you essentially want to list, sorry, it's really hot in here, sweating up a storm. What you want to do is you want to list the best web hosting services, 3 or 5 of them, because we're going to actually need to do that for the next traffic step, okay? So you want to go and list these services and just write a little bit of information about them. Now, if you want to put in your affiliate link, so you just need to write a title here, some information, and you can add images by clicking here. You can add an image if you like. And more importantly, if you want to do an affiliate link, for example, like a link, what you do is you highlight some text. So I'm not going to write out the whole thing here because I've already done it for you in this training, but I'm going to put sign up here. And then what I do is I want to get my affiliate link from here. So I'll just copy it. And I want to highlight this, and I want to click on this little anchor chain here and paste in my link. So when people click on that and they go and purchase, I'm going to get a commission, okay? It's a very, very good system to make some money. So you want to create this bridge page on here, and you can do different types of things. You can say how to create a blog, how to create a website. You can take people through a tutorial. But the whole point is we're going to get people to land on this page, this free page that we've created to make money online. And when they scroll down, they're going to choose a web hosting service based on what you've said about it by clicking sign up here or buy here or get your web hosting here, okay? That's how they're going to click on this. This is very easy to set up. It's like just creating, when you create the story, it's just like creating a blog or something on a website. It's a very simple thing to do. Okay, so create something like this, okay? The easiest one for beginners is like best web hosting services, and I have a list of the best ones below that you can go and sign up for, okay? Now, the next step is quite critical. The next step is we need to find related traffic to this. Now, with this traffic method, a bit of a disclaimer, you're not going to become rich, but you can make some money. And this is how I actually started getting commissions with this platform about 3 years ago. It's a very good way to get started as a beginner, okay? You will get some sales. I'm not sure how many, but you can get a few sales a week, maybe a few sales a day. It really just depends on how much work you put in, but you can actually get some good sales going by doing this, okay? So what you want to do is you want to head to, so you want to keep this page open, and remember this is where your affiliate link is, okay? You want to go over to Quora.com and you want to go and type into the search bar stuff like blogging or websites or things like that, okay? And then click on blogging. Now down below, you're going to notice there's these things called spaces, okay? So discover more space. These are really important. These are kind of like Facebook groups and stuff like that, okay? But there's these things called spaces. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just go to blogging and marketing, but there's heaps of different spaces that you can go to. There's actually more stuff here. So we've got blogs, blogging advice. These are related topics. So if I actually clicked on blogging advice, then some more spaces will pop up here. These are kind of the same ones. But if I go to blogging and marketing, okay, and I go to follow space, what I can do is I can submit content to this kind of like, I call them groups. So you can actually submit content to these things, okay? So essentially what you want to do is you want to submit something, and it could be a post or a question, okay? So this is what I would do. I would essentially, you can't just go and put your affiliate link in here, you will get banned. It's very important that you do not just put your affiliate link in here because you will get banned, okay? You really want to write a really good in-depth post. What I would be doing is I would actually be essentially creating an exact replica of this, okay? And I'll kind of create something right here to show you, okay? Real quickly, and then I'll come back. All right, guys, so I've done this kind of like mini version. So let me kind of explain to you what I've done here. I've gone back to my list here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to essentially say, are you looking to start a website or blog online? I have compiled the best web hosting platforms below that you can use on a budget. And then what I do is I take, let me just get out of here. I take a small portion of this section and I post it in here with the image down below. But what I do is I put more information can be found here. And I go back to here and I take this link here and I go and put it, I highlight this and I go to the anchor, that little symbol down below, the font one. I click the chain link here and I go into URL and I go add. And what I've done is I've added the link. So I put a little short bit of text here and I go for more, well, they're supposed to say for more information. More information can be found here. Then what I would do is I would go again and I would take a little bit of this information. I'll just take a little bit of it. And I would do the same again and again and again until I had a pretty big post explaining the best web hosting services. But I don't put everything there. I make it so they actually have to click onto my article. And then in my article, they go down and they have to actually click on sign up here. So yes, it is a bit of a tedious task to get people through, but there's two reasons why you want to do this. Number one, you have to do this because you can't post your affiliate links on Quora. You're probably going to get banned. Number two, it gets you more qualified people because someone that clicks on a link, reads this content, then clicks on another link is most likely going to actually make a purchase, okay? And you're going to get a commission. So it's very important that you actually do that. Then all you need to do is click submit, okay? Now, and this has now actually been submitted and it probably will need to be approved. But this is what you want to do. You want to keep doing this, but you want to make it good quality content. Now, if we go for something like websites, you really want to make it good quality content because if you don't, it'll be very hard to get approved. And not only that, Quora will pick up that it's a low quality post. So we've got website and designers, blogging and web hosting, web design journal. Let's try this one here. All of these places that you can find these spaces online. So make money online tips. There's all of these places you can find these spaces to go and post your links to your article. Now, this is a very beginner friendly method. You're not going to make a lot of money, but you can make $65 sign up by actually doing this. And here's a little bit of a bonus tip. If you go up to the search and you put in best blogging platform, there's actually people that will ask questions. What's the best blogging platform and why? They'll actually ask questions on the best blogging platform and you can reply with a link to your article here, okay? And Cura gets a lot of traffic every single day, but don't spam, because if you spam, a lot of people are like, oh, this doesn't work, Franklin. I get banned and all that sort of stuff. Do not spam. I've had my same Cura account. I've actually got multiple Cura accounts because we do this quite a bit. This is how I grew actually my YouTube channel as well at the beginning, is by posting on this website. So it does work. It just takes some time. Okay. Now, if you want some more methods on how to make money online, click the videos up on the right. I will show you some more free methods on how to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell. Any comments, leave them below, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.